A very good afternoon to all the participants who have joined this wonderful webinar series. Sorry. Okay, let us start the session. A very good afternoon to all the participants who have joined this meeting. I welcome all the participants for this AICT and Ministry of Education sponsored Impact Lecture Series Phase 2, and this is Session 2 on topic Overview and Awareness on Indian Patent Rights. I myself, Professor T Manochandar, IIC convener as well as this Impact Lecture Coordinator from Surya Group of Institutions, School of Engineering and Technology, Viluppuram, Tamil Nadu. I am very happy and enthusiastic in conducting this kind of funded AICT funded Impact Lecture series in our institution. I am very much happy to invite EC department head of department, Mrs. P. Satya ma'am, to welcome the gathering.
A very good afternoon to all. On behalf of Surya Group of Institution, Management, Principal Dr. V. Kalyan Chakravarti, I feel great honor in welcome you all for the AICT and Ministry of Education sponsored online Impact Lecture Series. I extend my warm welcome to Mrs. T Pandyawadi, Assistant Professor, P.S. Abdur Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai, who has kindly accepted our proposal to present an Impact Lecture Series on an overview and need of IPR. Welcome you, ma'am. And I extend my heartfelt welcome to the staff members and students of various colleges to this program. Finally, I welcome Institution Innovation Cell Coordinator, heads of various departments, colleagues, and students of Surya Group of Institution to this program. Welcome you all. I hope this session is very useful and informative. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I am very much privileged to introduce Professor T Pandyawadi, an Assistant Professor in Computer Application of B.S. Abdur Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology. She has this broad experience in teaching field about 5 years. She has completed his Bachelor of Engineering in University College of Engineering, Viluppuram in the year 2012. She completed his Master of Engineering in the field of Software Engineering in the year 2014 in Anna University, Chennai. She had completed his Master of Business Administration in HR Management in Annamalai University, Chidambaram, and now she is pursuing his research in SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Kattangulattur campus. She has broad experience in software engineering, and she had published many research papers, nearly 10 research papers in various international journals and conferences. And she has also attended many faculty development programs which was conducted by Anna University and AICT and various things. She is also an active member of various associations and other things, and she is very much a knowledgeable person regarding Indian patent rights and copyright. So on a first occasion, I had called her and asked her about this program. She interestedly, yes sir, we are very much happy to participate in this program. So I thank her for accepting my invitation, and on behalf of management, and I thank the management for giving me this opportunity for conducting this Impact Lecture series. And I also thank AICT and MIC who have offered us, who have funded us in conducting these kind of programs in our institutions. we have actually our institution, Surya Group of Institutions, School of Engineering and Technology, we have a separate cell for IPR. We have a separate cell for Indian patent rights, and we have a separate incubation center funded by MSME. So, I am very proud to say this in this occasion. And now, we want to educate our students regarding Indian patent rights. Many students who are doing their project on their own, for helping the public. Many innovative projects are coming, but they don't know how to take that particular project into an outside world. So, in order to educate those things to our students, as well as in order to gain knowledge for the faculties, this program will definitely help all of us to get more knowledge on IPR. Once again, I welcome you, ma'am, and I am handovering the session to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for the warm welcome, Professor.
Hello.
And I'm very honored that I've been called for this session. Thank you so much. So, shall I present now, sir?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, ma'am. It is visible, ma'am.
Thank you. So the topic that I've been assigned is it is an overview and need of IPR, which is called as intellectual property. Right. So basically, IPR are a common type of legal, the protect for those who invent something. Invention can be a process, a product, or anything. So moving on to So this is my objective of presentation. So objective of the presentation will include the concept of IPR, the role of how the technology transfer happens, followed by the rationale of protection. What are the reasons? So reasons for protection. What is the need for me to protect my idea? What is the need for me to protect my product? So that will be discussed in rationale of protection, followed by different kinds of IPR. So it is not like IPR is of single type. There are more types of IPR, and there are various needs of IPRs in India. So moving on towards the introduction of my presentation. So there are different types of property. So first one is movable property. So which we used to see commonly nowadays as something which is movable. A car, a pen, furniture, dress, anything can be taken, and any material, any tool, substance which can be movable can be considered as a movable property. And the second thing is immovable property. Immovable property, warehouse, even a tree or a plant can be considered as an immovable property. So coming on towards what is intellectual property. So intellectual, there was a meaning in English of what is meant by intellect. Intellect as our power of mind to link, to think, to learn, and the ability for us to understand and think and react to something. So that is what is called as intellect. So the literary works, arts, drama, any kind of invention which is related to scientific, mathematics, any social related things that can improve for the society can be taken as an intellectual property. So what is the nature of the intellectual property? The nature of the intellectual property will be based on different criteria. So here, it is actually created by the human mind. Seems like the students are so happy. Okay. So creation of human mind. So that is what we call this intellect. Um, Professor, can I continue? Claiming that that is my invention. So that is a right